In today's digital world, businesses need to stand out online. The competition is fierce and the digital landscape is constantly evolving. Traditional marketing methods are not enough. Relying solely on print ads, flyers, or even TV commercials won't cut it anymore. Digital marketing is key to reach the right audience and grow your business. It allows you to target specific demographics, track engagement, and measure success in real time. This means using tools and strategies designed for the internet. From SEO to social media marketing, and from content creation to email campaigns, the digital world offers endless possibilities. Think websites, social media, and email campaigns. These are the pillars of a strong digital marketing strategy. Each platform has its own unique advantages and can help you connect with your audience in different ways. The challenge? Digital marketing can be complex and time-consuming. Managing multiple platforms, creating engaging content, and analyzing data can be overwhelming. That's where Onpassive comes in. Onpassive is designed to streamline your digital marketing efforts, making it easier to manage and more effective. Onpassive offers innovative solutions to simplify and enhance your digital marketing efforts. With its advanced tools and user-friendly interface, you can automate tasks, track performance, and optimize your strategies. With Onpassive, you can work smarter, not harder. Focus on what you do best and let Onpassive handle the rest. Achieve your business goals with ease and efficiency. Now, as always, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. Onpassive is a revolutionary platform. It uses the power of artificial intelligence, AI, to transform your digital marketing. Imagine having a complete toolkit of AI-powered tools at your fingertips. Onpassive provides everything from website building to automated marketing campaigns. No need for multiple platforms or complex integrations. Onpassive brings it all together in one user-friendly interface. This streamlines your workflow and saves valuable time and resources. One of the most exciting developments in AI is generative AI. This groundbreaking technology is revolutionizing the way we approach creativity and innovation in the digital space. This technology has the power to create. It can take simple ideas and transform them into complex, engaging content that captivates audiences. It can generate text, images, and even videos, all from simple prompts. Imagine typing a few words and watching as the AI brings your vision to life with stunning accuracy and creativity. For digital marketing, this is a game changer. It allows marketers to produce high-quality content at a fraction of the time and cost, enabling them to focus on strategy and engagement. Imagine creating engaging content, stunning visuals, and compelling ad copy, all with the help of AI. This means more time for creative brainstorming and less time on repetitive tasks. Generative AI can save time, boost creativity, and help you connect with your audience in new and innovative ways. By leveraging AI, marketers can stay ahead of trends, personalize content, and deliver messages that resonate deeply with their target audience. Section 4. Onpassive and Generative AI, a powerful partnership. This collaboration is set to revolutionize the way businesses approach digital marketing and content creation. Onpassive has seamlessly integrated generative AI into its platform, creating a synergy that enhances efficiency and creativity. This integration takes digital marketing to a whole new level, offering unprecedented capabilities and insights. With Onpassive, you can effortlessly create high-quality content that truly resonates with your target audience, ensuring your message is both impactful and engaging. Whether you need to write blog posts, social media updates, or even detailed product descriptions, Onpassive's AI is equipped to handle it all with precision and creativity. Onpassive's AI can handle it, providing you with content that is not only relevant but also tailored to your specific needs and goals. It can also generate eye-catching images and graphics, making your visual content stand out. Additionally, it can personalize your marketing messages, ensuring they are tailored to each segment of your audience. Onpassive's AI doesn't stop there. It can analyze data to optimize your campaigns in real time, providing you with actionable insights that help you make informed decisions and achieve better results. Section 5. The future is automated. Digital marketing with Onpassive. With Onpassive and generative AI, the future of digital marketing is bright. Businesses of all sizes can leverage these powerful tools to reach the right customers, create engaging content, automate marketing tasks, and improve ROI. Onpassive empowers you to stay ahead of the curve and achieve your business goals in the ever-evolving digital landscape. For more information about Onpassive and successful digital marketing, please go to the description below. Thank you and have an awesome day.